If you are hearing of more and more transactions where the appraisals aren't coming in, you're not going to want to miss this video. Hi, I'm Skip Shanker, Regional Renovation Sales Manager for Loan Depot, and I was on a Zoom call last week with some top realtors across the country, and the biggest issue that they're experiencing right now are appraisals that are not coming in. They're coming in low. And the cause of this is, I really think is two factors. Number one, there's a shortage of housing. List prices are getting bid up over the list price, and then the appraisal doesn't come in. Or we're seeing some appraisers not looking at recent sales because of the higher cost because of COVID. So there's a COVID reduction in value that the appraisals are coming in at. So either way, no matter what the situation is, if you're experiencing a low appraisal and you have a motivated buyer and you have a seller who's unwilling to bring the sales price down, we have a loan program that's going to allow you to finance 110% of the appraised value, even though the appraised value came in low. So what that means is if you have a sales price of like $625, but the appraisal comes in at $580 or $590, with the FHA 203K loan, we'll be able to finance 110% of that $580 or $590. That's going to put you up over near $650. The caveat is that you have to finance some repairs in that as well. Now, any buyer buying a house is surely going to want to do new appliances, paint, carpet, windows, things like that. So we can include an extra 5 or 10 or 15 grand in that loan on top of the purchase price, and as long as it's under 110% of that appraised value, we'll close as is. So I've recently saved 2 deals by switching to an FHA 203K, allowing the buyers to finance some repairs as well as finance 110% of that appraised value. If you're looking to save transactions, talk to your lender about an FHA 203K. If your lender isn't familiar with them, give me a call. I can be reached at 800-385-3503.